guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today I am going to be making cauliflower mac and cheese. So let's go through the ingredients. First things first, we have all the dairy products on this side. I have half and half cream, 35% cream, Parmesan cheese. This is not the amazing stuff, but I'm working with what I have. If you guys have real Parmesan, that would be even better. Cream cheese, and then we have a mixed cheddar and mozzarella cheese here, and this is just my measuring cup. Over here, I have the cauliflower. I already washed it, chopped it up, if you want to cut it bigger, that's fine, but I kind of wanted mine a little bit on the smaller side, so that's what it looks like. Over here, we have sweet onion salt, which I already put a little bit on here, and some melted butter. The melted butter, I'm actually going to put on right now. Then we're going to mix that in a second. The other ingredients are white pepper, turmeric, and we have some pink sea salt over here. So first thing first, let's mix this up a little. Perfect. My oven is preheated to 425, so I'm going to throw this in for 15 minutes and then we're going to make the sauce in the meantime. So we're going to start the sauce now. First thing you guys need is a full cup of half and half cream and the 35% cream. I did 2/3 of the half and half cream and the rest with the 35% cream. If you guys want to do just 35% cream, that's okay, but I would not recommend just using the half and half because it's not going to have the best consistency. So we're going to let this go for a few minutes until it starts boiling a little bit. Then we're going to go ahead and whisk in the cream cheese. So it started boiling, you guys, so I went ahead and added in the cream cheese. And you're going to want to whisk this until it's completely dissolved. The heat is on medium. I might even put it a little bit lower. And then I'm just going to whisk this until it's fully incorporated. So the cream cheese is now fully incorporated, as you guys can see. I'm going to go ahead and add the seasoning. So a little bit of pink salt, not too much, because if you remember earlier, I put a little bit of the sweet onion salt on the cauliflower, so we don't want to over season too much. I have a little bit of white pepper as well. If you guys don't have white pepper, black pepper is fine. And then we have turmeric. Turmeric is not only healthy for you, but it's going to help this cauliflower mac and cheese to get that yellow color that we love so much, that you normally get from cheddar. So it's getting the yellow color without adding a crap ton of cheddar. And here we have half a cup of the shredded cheddar and mozzarella cheese. So a little tip for you guys, you do not want to keep your cheese mix on the heat longer than you have to, because it can potentially break, so you don't want that. So yeah, I would suggest taking it off as soon as you had the spices and just add the cheese and whisk it in, because the heat is going to help the cheese to melt, so you don't need to keep it on the stove for that. Anyways, that's good. That's ready to go. We have 5 minutes before the cauliflower is roasted, and then we're going to incorporate everything, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Okay guys, so I just removed the cauliflower from the oven, and I turned the oven up to 450 because we're going to be popping this back in the oven at the end. So this is what the cauliflower looks like. Guys, if you guys want to boil your cauliflower ahead of time or saute it, that's fine as well, but personally I prefer to roast mine. So we're just going to take this And we have the sauce here, and we're going to dunk this in the sauce. So here's what it looks like, you guys. And we're just going to mix that together. Yummy. Now we're just going to pour this in here. Little bit more cheese. It's already cheesy enough, but who doesn't like a nice cheesy crust on top? And I'm just going to put a tiny bit of Parmesan because I don't want to oversalt this too much. Or I mean, it's perfect right now, but I don't want to put too much Parmesan because Parmesan is salty. So anyways, we're going to go ahead, throw this in the oven at 450 for 10 minutes, and we'll see what it looks like. So there you have it, guys. This just came out of the oven, still sizzling and all. This looks so good. I'm going to let it rest for about 20 minutes or so before I eat it. But I did 10 minutes in the oven and then 2 minutes on broil. So 10 minutes at 450 and 2 minutes on broil, and this was the result. If you guys end up trying this recipe, please let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.